Coming up tonight, the Prime Minister encourages children in Matuku, Laos to study hard and reach for the stars. The President told that Fijian troopers in Sinai doing extremely well and termite infestation numbers decrease. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today on MyTV. I'm Nemani Turangaivu. The children of Yaroi Village School in Matuku, Laos sang their little hearts out for the Prime Minister, Commodore Werengame Bainimarama and his delegation when they made an impromptu stop at their school whilst visiting Matuku to open the road project. In speaking to the children, Commodore Bainimarama urged them to study hard because one day they will be the ones leading the country.
The Prime Minister, Commodore Werengame Bainimarama, is synonymous for making impromptu visits at primary schools during his tours of the rural areas. This time, the children of Yaroi Village School were fortunate to spend the morning with Commodore Bainimarama for a little sing-along and talanoa session. He even requested a song from the children in kindergarten. Commodore Bainimarama took the opportunity with the children to emphasize the importance of education and the need to study hard.
Sona pala tinong gabu ko chungo na le buli pala tinong gabu ka. Kaya tu sona pala tini. Pala te dua tolu. Lima mat dua nunggu. Nak boleh. So chicken obisa. Obisa. Kundera mana obisa? Sona nasi, sona sista, mai, dua. Nah, bul sarap ako ko Nona kay ni binakata siya nga chugo naman ni kurubuli ron ko to may kamniyo kay to nandang pichungo. Hachigo naman ni bola ni buli. Hachigo na penikau botan na choke.
Commodore Bainimarama commended the school management for the well-kept school and the distance learning program, which no other school in the country is using.
No bang tahu binaka harto cukur tu nom ningas ni buli, merna wa muni dikem ni muni bang takan ni buli cara pokok ni buli tu naka kemam sini buli dah kemam nandam bicungo, muni mesel di kemane. Nongoi biar Prime Minister, Prime Minister ni mutu bicungo.
The Prime Minister's words to the children of Yaroi in Matuku is the essence behind the ongoing reforms and developments in the country to enable this generation to leave a better Fiji for the future.
Fiji's sterling contribution towards peacekeeping duties was conveyed to His Excellency the President Ratuepeli Nailatikau at a recent visit in Sinai. Force Commander Major General Warren Whiting, who commands the Multinational Force and Observers or MFO headquarters in Sinai, briefed His Excellency on the peacekeeping operations carried out by our Fijian men and women. Speaking highly of the Fiji peacekeepers, Major General Whiting commended their professionalism and experience in dealing with peacekeeping duties in one of the most challenging parts of the Sinai region.
Arriving directly from Tel Aviv, Israel, His Excellency landed in Sinai and was accorded a 100-man guard of honor led by Major Peter Mataki, who once served aide-de-camp in the President's office. Throughout the week, Ratuepeli met with officers of the Fiji Battalion headquarters where he was briefed on the operation of the Fiji Battalion. Ratu Epeli was also able to meet with Fijian soldiers manning outposts in the region. Meeting with the Fiji Battalion, including those stationed at isolated locations, provided His Excellency the opportunity to convey the well wishes of Fiji citizens. The visit to these isolated locations boosted the confidence and morale of our soldiers. It strengthened their resolve to serve in such an unstable and challenging environment.
After the break, our tourist numbers up again in the first quarter of this year, and laid-off Vatukoula gold mine workers can apply for assistance under their trust fund.